Hi Mike, can you confirm this behavior? I have created one sales order for this item and list location, and while creating I have provided lot number for 10 quantities. Now if I go and create invoice, the status is approved. So if I go and create invoice, the lot number that I have created on SO page is getting applied over here, and the quantity it is populating from the sales order, it's getting 10 quantities. But if I want to fulfill this, I want to use this lot number partially by doing manual invoicing. So here I am on add invoice page and I have used the same sales order and selected the item that I have used in the sales order and same location. Now if I try to add lot numbers, I am not able to see the lot number that I have created on SO. So partially using the items from the sales order that we have created is not possible on manual invoicing. But if we do invoicing from the sales order page itself, that those lot numbers are getting used. But if I just want to use few quantities from that same sales order, I'm not able to select the lot number that I created on SO. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this. Thank you.